Good evening friends, welcome back to my channel Breakout Trading. Please watch the video fully so that you will not be missing any contents that I am providing in the video. Kindly subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed till now. Okay, let's go into the video right now. So let's see the performance of the stocks which I traded, and let's see how to consistently make a 6-digit profit every month using swing trading. Okay, the next stock is Hindustan Unilever. This was forming a triangular pattern, and on 22nd Jan it has given a breakout from the pattern in the buy side. This is the mistake I have done. Okay, so the volume, it was not very good. So what I did was I took a buy position. I entered at 2425. Okay, and my stop loss was below this trend line. Okay, so I entered on 25th Jan. So on 28th Jan my stop loss got it. Okay, and I lost almost 27k in this trade. Okay, that was a mistake, my personal mistake. Okay, so 27k was a loss in this trade. So once this candle broke the trend in the downside, I took a sell entry again on 29th Jan. Okay, I took around 2285. Okay, and I was hoping that the stock will come up to this POC, that is around 2140. Okay, but I booked it around 2150. So I almost made 51k from this trade. After my loss of 26k, around 23 to 24,000 was my profit in this trade in Unilever, Hindustan Unilever. And the next trade was IGL. I am still holding it because I took this trade 2 days back. See, if you see, this was trading inside this pattern. Okay, this was the main support line in which the stock was trading. So once this got broke, okay, I took a sell entry below this red candle, that is below 534. I took entry at 535. Okay, and I'm still holding this stock. I'm around 34 to 35k profit in IGL till now. I'm hoping to come up to this level, 460 to 450 level. I'll be booking this at around 460 level, still 30 points. The lot size of this is 1350. Okay, I am still holding this position. March future I am having. Okay, and the next stock which I booked is NTPC. Okay, this was trading inside this triangular pattern. Okay, actually in this trade what I did, I took the entry before the breakout. Okay, on 18th of Feb, I bought the stock around 100. Okay, and I booked it on 25th of Feb. Okay, at 110. So 10 points I have made from the stock. The lot size of this is 5700. So net profit will be around 57,000. Okay, after brokerage, and brokerage it goes around 250 to 300. That's not a big issue. So in this I made around 56k. Okay, and the next stock which I traded was Ramco Cements. Okay, it also given a good breakout on Feb 2nd. Okay, on Feb 3rd I didn't take the entry because the stock opened at 889 and the high was also 889.45. So this is a basic thing. Open, if it is equal to high, stock will go down. So I guess the stock will not go up for that day. So I haven't entered on 3rd of February. So I waited and I entered on 5th of February. When the stock made a high of 898, I entered around 890. So this one, the lot size is around 850. So I booked it near 990. Okay. So almost 100 points I have made from this stock. The lot size is 850. So if you see, it comes around 85,000 for this stock. So the next one which I took was Torrent Power. This was a good trade. Okay, on 16th of Feb, the stock given a good breakout from the pattern which it was trading. So the volume was also good compared to the previous trading days. So I took a entry above 16th Feb high. So I took around 350. Okay, and I booked around 40 points in the stock. Okay, 390 I booked on 25th of February. So this is a pretty good trade which I have taken. And in my previous video I would have told about Power Grid. That was also minimum days only. 4 to 5 days I was holding, and the same with Torrent Power. I was holding 5 to 6 days only. So around 1.2 lakh I made in this stock. So we can earn consistently in a 6-digit number from swing trading, provided we learn all the basics and we select the perfect stock and a perfect entry. So the mistake I made, I have explained you here. This was not a perfect entry in Unilever, the buy side. Okay, so the volume was not very good. If I had noticed the volume, I would have not entered. So mistakes happen. So we should not repeat the mistakes again. So this is how we can earn consistently using swing trading. In intraday also we can earn, but the volatility will be more, and the main thing is we need to close the position before 3:15 in the evening. So it's little bit risky. Even in swing trades, risk is there, but we will get time to think and we can act accordingly. So this is the way how to trade in swing trading and earn consistently. We can make lakhs easily using these methods. Okay. Kindly like and subscribe my channel. Please watch the video so that you will be learning about swing trading and intraday trading in my channel. Share it with your friends so that they too will gain knowledge in swing trading. Keep watching my channel. Thank you friends. See you in the next video.